Welcome back to Overheat. The Rolls-Royce RV for 2026 is called the Cullinan Grand Tourer. Outside, iconic design, a towering Pantheon grille with an electronically retractable Spirit of Ecstasy, and adaptive LED headlights with a slim yet elegant appearance. Wheels, made of lightweight aluminum alloy. These large, specially designed alloy wheels have a polished or bicolor appearance. Generous side doors with the iconic Rolls-Royce coach doors are examples of auto-opening doors. Large windows encircle the sidewalls. Large, perfectly integrated storage areas in the underbody that are electrically accessible. Inside, invisible, a huge, seamlessly integrated infotainment touchscreen and an augmented reality navigation system are examples of advanced technology. Pilot seat, 20-way power driver and front passenger seats. Formal dining room, a table that automatically extends and folds down, together with 6 leather dining seats. A large old flat-screen TV that automatically rises from behind. A wall panel is a modern entertainment system. A contemporary induction cooktop, a convection oven microwave, a built-in espresso maker, a small dishwasher, a hidden full-size refrigerator freezer, and solid marble or quartz countertops are some of the kitchen's features. Orthopedic mattress with a king-size bed adjustment feature. V12 Twin-Turbo Engine. This engine, which is most likely an upgraded version of the renowned 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine from Rolls-Royce, generates enough power and incredible torque to move a car this size smoothly and silently. An 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth and fast. All-wheel drive AWD systems offer the best traction in a variety of road situations. Advanced braking system, large disc brakes, and multi-piston calipers deliver dependable stopping power. Air and water filtration system, an innovative HEPA air filtration system to ensure the purity of the air in the cabin, as well as a clean water filtration system for all uses. 360-degree camera systems, multi-layer locking systems, and infrared security sensors are examples of security features.